Most people struggle to connect with the right decision makers in business. You might find yourself sending endless emails or messages that never get a reply. In this video, I will show you a simple way to find any company owner or CEO easily. So you can skip the gatekeepers, go straight to the people who actually make the decision. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Let's say my client needs physical therapist in the USA, but the client specifically wants decision makers leads. Now guys, what do you mean by decision maker leads? A decision maker leads is usually the CEO, owner, co-founder, partner or chairperson of the company. So guys, let's go to the Google search bar and type physical therapist in USA. Then click enter. You can also search any directory website or Google Maps or anywhere you prefer. But guys, if your client needs thousands of leads, the best option is usually directory website, easily to get large amount of data. But for today's example, we are going to use Google Maps. So click more and now click Maps. We can easily collect business leads from Google Maps. We just scroll down as many as possible, how many leads you need for your client. Guys, now we want to scrape those business leads. So we need the extension. This extension name is Instant Data Scraper. So I just simply click extension icon. After click this extension, guys, you see they scrape one page and collected 22 rows. They just marked and highlight this 22 business. Now we just download those data. You can easily download CSV file or Excel file, whichever you want to prefer. Right now I choose CSV file. So just click CSV. This data already downloaded. But guys, if you don't know how to edit this extension, you can simply go to my YouTube channel and watch this video, how to scrape leads from Google Maps. Step-by-step tutorial. After watch this video, I hope you can easily understand everything of Instant Data Scraper extension. Now I just open my download file. Guys, this extension automatically scrape this menu bar, but this is not need. We just delete this box. So click delete. Now can you see guys, the first row they scrape Google Maps data. So we don't need this box data. So we just delete this row. The second row is company name. We just cut this box and insert here. And first column we type company name. We just delete this box. We just delete second and third column. Those are blank. This column we write rating, and this column we write review, and this column they take look industry. So we write industry. And this E and F column we don't need, so we just delete these two columns. This column is a company location, so we type location. And this is the close and open column, so we don't need those two columns. Just delete this column. They provide phone number, so we just phone number. This column they take website, so we just write website. There are others column are unnecessary, so we don't need those columns, so we just delete, simply delete. If you want, you can stay this column here, or you can insert this website column out of the company name box. So we just cut this column and insert cut cell. So guys, we insert website column here. So we find company name, website, rating, review, industry, location. Guys, we type a mistake, location and phone number. Now we need company decision makers name, job title, email and LinkedIn profile. This is the most important for your client when you deliver to your client. So this H column we type name, and this column we type job title, and this column we type employee email, and this column we type his or her LinkedIn profile. So guys, how we find decision makers information? So at first guys, we just copy this company website. So just click copy. We just open a Google search bar and paste this website URL. Click enter. Can you see guys, this is the physical therapist company website. If we want to find a decision makers this company, we can edit the extension. We just simply new tab and type sonobi.io. We just scroll down and click this website sonobi.io. If you want, you can create a sign up account or simply login. I just click login. Guys, if you have a Google account, you can simply sign in with your Google account. I just simply sign in with Google account and click my Google account. So guys, we visit sonobi.io dashboard. Now you just click leads. Can you see guys, at the bottom of this page they show you highlight opportunity on the go with extension, install for LinkedIn, install for website. So we install this two extension. At first I click this extension, click this one. This extension name email finder by sonobi.io. So simply click added to Chrome, added extension. So guys, this extension downloaded. Now we added this extension. Again simply click this one. This extension name is li prospect finder. So simply click added to Chrome. Again added extension. So this extension already added my computer. Now we back to our website page and simply click extension icon and pin these two extension, email finder by sonobi.io and li prospect finder. We just pin this two extension and reload this page. Now guys, we just click this email finder by sonobi.io extension icon. Thus they show you a domain email this website, and when we click prospect they show you occupational therapist Ajib Aslam. Guys, this website they don't find employee information, so we simply go to our Excel file and choose another website. Now I just copy this website, open a new tab and just paste this website URL, click enter. Now we click this extension email finder by sonobi.io. Now can you see guys, this USA Sport Medicine website they show you 10 domain emails. When we click prospect they show you 15 employee information. So guys, we just click this USA Sport Medicine link. Simply click. So guys, we find this company name USA Sport Medicine. This company location, industry is medical practice, city Miami Beach, and we can find employee size 11 to 50. If your client need employee size, you can just copy this one and edit that column with your Excel file or Google Drive, whichever you want to save it. And they provide LinkedIn page this company. So we just scroll down. You can see guys, they provide employee information, president and CFO, clinical director, front desk administrator, human resource director, and we also find owner or COO. We don't find his email address. So if you want to get those person email address, you just simply click add to list. You just create a new list. You can type anything, whichever you want. Let I type therapist. Just simply create. So we just click therapy. So we just simply click this person. So guys, we find everything of this person information. This person name is Kevin Mills and his email address. So we just copy his name and go to our Google Excel file and simply paste here. We back to this page and you see guys, his job position owner COO. We just copy those one, click copy, back to our Excel file and just paste here. We just type only owner. Again back to this page, we just copy his email address and again back to our Excel file and just paste here. Now we need to his LinkedIn profile. So we just find his LinkedIn profile. Simply copy link address and paste here. We don't need second column, so we just delete this column because we don't find this column information. Simply delete. I hope you can easily understand how to find company decision makers information. We find his name, job title, email address and LinkedIn profile. So guys, you can easily find any company employee information with sonobi.io tool. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Also guys, you can connect my LinkedIn profile. I try to share my knowledge. This is my LinkedIn profile. Also, you can follow my Twitter profile. If you don't miss my any post, you can connect my Twitter and LinkedIn profile. You can easily find those profile link in my description box. If you need any lead generation service, you can easily find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.